Hello and welcome back to the workshop here again on this sunny Sunday afternoon here in County Maid. And today we're going to have a look at a computer. I found this in a skip last week on my break in work. I was walking along and I just seen this leather case wedged in a skip with a load of bricks and all sorts of horrible stuff. And I just noticed video input and a BNC connector, so I says I'll have that. That looks interesting, and it is interesting. So what is it? It's a little monitor. It's in this lovely leather case. It comes with this nice instruction card. And what it is, it's a Computar portable service monitor. PSM 012 service monitor. Blah 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 blah. So what it does is, it's just basically it's a portable CRT monitor. And the CRT is the first thing that struck me because I recognised this from the Sony Watchman. And I always wanted one of these. So it'd be interesting to see if I can get it going here now. It was raining when I got it. This was running in wet. This is all wet. I don't know if you can see on camera, there's a little bit of water there in between the face of the CRT and the little protector. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. It also comes with this NiCad battery pack, which is, I'm sure, well past its sell by date, and the batteries are sealed in this. They obviously, I think they're encased in resin, so I don't think there's any opening this up. But we may be able to make something up with a few rechargeable batteries if we feel that way inclined. So we'll crack it open, get the hairdryer to it real quick. And let's see, does it work or not. So since I got it last week, I was doing a bit of research on YouTube, and there's a video of another one of these on YouTube as well, the exact same. And I may try and put a link in the description to that video as well. That chap's one is working. He got it going. You can hear the rain lashing off the roof here of the workshop. Just come out, yeah. There we are. We're in. Just a little bit of water there around the plastic. I don't think anything too serious. That's the insides of her. So what they do is they have the gun, instead of having, if this was a conventional 4-inch CRT, it would have to be about that length. So what they do is they have the gun set to the side, and they have the phosphor on the back of the screen, so it scans this way. It's an interesting way of doing it, and it's amazing how they were able to save so much space in doing that to make this such a flat little display. You know, just before the LCD technology was coming in, obviously the LCD technology killed all this off pretty quick in the mid 80s. But interesting workaround. So we'll get a cloth, clear that off. And dry him off as well. I think we'll just power it up the way it is there. It doesn't appear to be any wet inside it. But I think I'll get the hairdryer anyway, just give it a quick little splash. Just to make sure that there's residual dampness. So I have the Pratt & Whitney JT tray. In fact, it's very clean inside. Made in Japan by the Sony Corporation, so probably made under license to this crowd. Yeah, let's see if it works. What does it want? It wants 12 volts. Get a connector onto this. Make sure it does want 12 volts. Max 12 volts. Right. We'll give it 11. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see if it works or not. It'd be cool if it does though, yeah. I always fancied one of those. Okay, we're ready to go. Obviously the toggle switch on the side here is disintegrated at some stage. You can see where someone's just pulled the wires out of the toggle and twisted them together. Oh, it's up straight away. It's up. Just like that. Oh, I'll turn that off. It's on. It's on. Straight away. No messing. I'm going to BNC off the pattern generator onto it now. If I can find one. See, the problem is you get nails and you hang all your wires on the nails, and before you know it you have 1,000 wires hanging down the walls. You need to go through them and throw a few out. Let's see what we've got here. Haha! I don't know if we can see that. I'll have to try and mess around with the camera a bit so you can do it. What I've got is a perfect display with grayscale bars. It looks great, but we'll see if we can get the camera to focus in on it. Probably the light coming from outside's not helping either. I'm sorry you can't do any better than that at the minute. There you can see the checkers now. That's not bad at all. You can see a little bit of distortion. Obviously you have a hard job putting a linear raster onto that back. We'll see a test card that will show up on it. That's the crosshatch. It's hard to see. It's hard to see on the phone, unfortunately. It's not coming out well. There's test card F there. What I have to say is, and I'm afraid I'd be happier if it show up a bit better on the screen. It's an excellent, well-defined picture we've got here, and it's making it. Oh. A hand capacitance. He doesn't like that. That's obviously what the screen on the front is for. It's making out the very last of the 0.5 meg bars resolution. Great picture. Anyway, there you are. Something interesting, something different. Yeah, Thanks for watching.